Hello everyone. So now let's see how we can just connect or disconnect staircase at multiple levels. So you can see currently I have drawn the 4 levels. Let me draw more number of levels. This one is level 6. So you can see I have drawn the total 7 number of levels. Now I just wanted to connect this staircase till on the top. So for that first I will select the staircase. Now you can see here is the option multi-story stairs. So I will just click on here, select levels, right? So you can see here is a connect option is activated, right? So I will just click on this level and to select multiple level, I just press control. Now see plus sign on the screen. If I just press on the control, see arrow showing the plus sign. Now I will just select the multiple. See, I have just selected multiple levels. Now I will just click on this OK. See, once I click on the OK, see, stairs has connected to the all the levels. See, in a continuous manner. Now let me show you this from the 3D view. If I just move it little bit, see, it is showing a kind of box. So basically, you can see we need to create one more landing this side. You will just come from this staircase, then on this landing, then you just come up, then you just require one more landing here, then you will just move up from the staircase, then this landing, then up, then one more landing will be required here, then you can move from up here, then this landing, then you can move from up here. You can see from here, see, these two are on the same level. See, you can just move up from here, this landing, then you can just move up from here, then one more landing require here, then you can just move from up, then this landing, you can just move from up, then this staircase, right? In this way, you can just connect the multiple levels. What if you just wanted to disconnect the level? See, you can just click on this again. If you just wanted to disconnect the level, you can just click on this and you can just select the levels. To select the multiple level, you can just uh, click on the control. See, I just wanted to disconnect this 4 level. Now I just click on this OK and stairs are disconnected from here. So in this way, you can just use connect or disconnect tool.